Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the exciting world of AI engineers and what they do. AI engineers play a crucial role in developing and deploying cutting-edge AI solutions. They design complex systems, ensure ethical practices, and drive innovation in the field of artificial intelligence. By the end of the session, you will have a clear understanding of their responsibilities and the skills they need to succeed. Let's start by understanding how AI systems are built. AI engineers work on three main stages: design, development, and deployment. 1. Design. In this stage, AI engineers plan the infrastructure and frameworks of AI systems. They decide on the best hardware and software components, ensuring the system is efficient, scalable, and powerful. They also choose the right algorithms and data models for the problem they are solving. Think of it like building the blueprint for a house before construction begins. Development. Next, they move to the development phase, where they write code to implement AI algorithms and models. They use programming languages like Python, Java, and C++, along with specialist tools for machine learning. This is where the AI system starts to take shape, and they continuously refine it based on feedback and results. Deployment. Finally, they deploy the AI system, making it available for users or applications. This involves integrating the AI into existing systems, building APIs, and ensuring everything works smoothly. They might deploy the system on the cloud or on physical hardware, and they monitor its performance to make sure it runs well in real-world scenarios. Data preparation and processing, the foundation of AI. Now let's talk about data, which is the foundation of any AI system. AI engineers spend a lot of time preparing and processing data before they can even start building models. This involves three key steps. Data acquisitions. First, they gather data from various sources like database, APIs, sensors, or even web scraping. The quality and amount of data they collect directly impact how well the AI system will perform. Data cleaning. In real-world data is often messy. It can have errors, missing values, or inconsistencies. AI engineers clean this data by removing errors, filling in missing values, and making sure everything is consistent. This step is crucial because bad data leads to bad AI models. Feature engineering. After cleaning, they transform the raw data into meaningful features that the AI model can understand. This might involve creating new features from existing ones or combining variables to extract useful insights. Think of it as turning raw ingredients into a recipe that the AI can follow. Once the data is ready, AI engineers start building the machine learning models. This involves the three main steps. Model selection. They choose the right machine learning model based on the problem they are solving. There are many types of models, like supervised learning for predictions, unsupervised learning for finding patterns, and reinforcement learning for decision making. The choice depends on the text, the size of the data, and the resource available. Model training. After selection the model, they train it by feeding it the prepared data. The model learns from this data and adjusts its parameters to make better predictions. AI engineers monitor the training process using performance metrics and fine-tune the model to improve its accuracy. Model optimization. Once the model is trained, they work on optimizing it to make it more efficient and accurate. This might involve reducing the complexity of the model, selecting the most important features, or using techniques like ensemble learning to combine multiple models for better results. After building the model, AI engineers need to make sure it's efficient and scalable. When deployed in real-world application, here's how they do it. Performance optimization. They optimize the model to run quickly and use fewer resources. This is important for real-time application where speed is critical. They might use techniques like model quantization, reducing the size of the model, or pruning, removing unnecessary parts of the models. Scalability. They design the AI system to handle more data and users as the demand grows. This often involves using cloud infrastructure and distribute computing, which allows the system to scale up or down based on the workload. Cloud deployment. Many AI systems are deployed on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. These platforms provide the storage, computing power, and tools needed to run AI systems efficiently and at scale. Monitoring and troubleshooting AI systems. Once the AI system is up and running, AI engineers don't just walk away. They continuously monitor and troubleshoot the system to ensure it's working as expected. Here's what they do. Performance metrics. They track key metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and latency to measure how well the AI system is performing. If something goes wrong, these metrics help them identify the problem, issue resolution. When issue arise, they diagnose and fix them. This might involve looking at system logs, retraining the model, or adjusting the data pipelines. Drift detection. Over time, the model was trained on might change, causing the model to perform poorly. AI engineers use techniques to detect these changes, called data drift, and retrain the model to keep it accurate. AI systems don't exist in isolation. They need to integrate with existing systems and workflows. Here's how AI engineers make that happen. API integration. They build APIs that allow the AI systems to communicate with other software systems. This lets the AI provide prediction or insight to other applications, automating tasks and enhancing functionality. Data pipelines. They design data pipelines that connect data source processing steps and AI models. This ensures that data flows smoothly through the system. User interface UI design. If the AI system is meant for direct user interaction, AI engineers might also design user interfaces. They make sure the interface is easy to use and helps users interact with the AI system effectively. AI engineers also have to think about ethics. AI systems can have bias, invade privacy, or make decisions that are hard to understand. Here's how they address these issues. Bias detection and mitigation. They work to identify and reduce bias in AI systems. This might involve using diverse datasets, awareness metrics, and algorithms that reduce bias. Privacy protection. They ensure that user data is protected by following regulations like GDPR and CCPA. They use techniques like encryption and anonymization to keep data secure. Transparency and explainability. They make sure that AI systems are transparent and that users can understand how decisions are made. This builds trust and accountability. AI engineers don't work alone. They collaborate with many other teams to build successful AI systems. Here's what they work with. Product managers. They work with product managers to understand business goals and ensure the AI systems aligns with those goals. Domain experts. They collaborate with experts in the field to make sure the AI system solves real-world problems. Data scientists. They work with data scientists to design experiments, evaluate models, and refine data processing techniques. Software engineers. They partner with software engineers to integrate AI systems into existing applications and build user interfaces. Finally, let's talk about the future of AI engineering. The field is constantly evolving, and AI engineers need to stay ahead of the curve. Here are some emerging trends. Explainable AI. There is growing demand for AI systems that can explain their decision in a way that humans can understand. Federated learning. It is a new approach where AI models are trained on decentralized data, which helps protect user privacy. Responsible AI engineers are increasingly focusing on fairness, transparency, and ethical consideration to ensure AI systems are used responsibly. The future of AI engineering, it's all about building systems that are not only powerful but also trustworthy and ethical.